don't want to be over complacent. That is.
Kahit ilang beses mo sabihin sa sarili mo, as Tang Servidad scored off the block.
Having some problems with their reception so far here in the early goings.
In transition, Abby Segi, block! Abigail Segi with that usual jump serve, almost scoring an ace. Faye will go to her usual reliable attacker. Pinalo niya, nasa attack line siya, zone 5. Tang Servidad!
For Arellano, nakita niya kagad dito.
Namigay kagad ng promo code si Tang Servidad. Maganda naman yung floor defense nila. Got a bunch of excellent digs. Sobra-sobra lamang nila. Excellent reception. Sobra-sobra din ang shiny tura. It's the Laika. That was checked. MG will send it to Francis Mordi so far. Yun yung... umayos muna yung first ball ng Adamson. There's a block. Nice. Wipe. Coming. Swipe na. Kumbaga, kung yung bola, ba iniisip na mukha ng tao, sinasampal niya, di ba? Strike ng Adamson.
Mordi, the beneficiary of the excellent reception.
Pangatlong serve ni Mordi. And it's an ace! Early on, makikita mo rin na ang Arellano, alam na nila yung gagawin ng Adamson dito. That's why such attack was spoiled. And Tang Servidad choosing. You could say that Arellano is forcing JP Ute to attack, to rather adjust this.
Sa harap with Shiny Tura for that block.
Grab block of the set. Take note of those promo codes. Move it sa mga lakad nyo. Ay, mas maganda kung mag-grab kayo, mag-move it kayo, papunta dito sa Playtime Pinoy Center.
What a treat to see these volley bells.
Oo.
They're playing their heart out.
E mamaya, tuloy din yung mga gera nung anim pang koponan sa magpapatuloy na semifinals as this rally goes on. Shiny Tura, could that finish? Napatalikod si Sam Tira-Tira looking for the ball. And Shiny Tura took advantage. Yung bola, makakaset up yung depensa.
Yes.
Second ace of Adamson. Kat, silip muna sa depensa. Naangat ni Faye, naisalba ni Frances. Arellano, papalo ulit. Tang!
Need to work on is their floor defense. Kasi maganda naman yung reception, nakakatake ng maganda. And when you have Shiny Tura, Tura, na alam mo, more percentage that they would be scoring.
Isa pa.
Yun na nga.
Sam Tira-Tira. Sa kaliwa yung service. Papunta siya sa kaliwa pero service pupunta sa kanan. Santa Servidad. Tatlo hinahabol ng Adamson. Nasa likod si Shai. Nasa harap si Frances Mordi. At pinatama sa kanya. Temptation na ibibigay sa iyo yung laro. Nandun talaga. Pero syempre, in sports, as Kim Rocha score
ang atake nila maging consistent. Pero merong magandang
timeout of all the moment in the world. Kung kailan nag-timeout ang Arellano, doon na walang first ball nila. Frances Mordi got the point.
Parang
over. Punta sa outside. Moment! That could give Arellano an advantage. Kaya lang di maayos yung first ball. Nakapump si Sean. Rejected by Sam Tira-Tira.
Fouls having trouble with their floor defense while the net defense of Arellano remains.
Adamson needs to recover 20. Si Faye may isa din. Yung nag-sub na si Hart Villaflores may isa din. And something Adamson needs to pay attention as Sam Tira-Tira rejected another Adamson attack. Pasok niya sa seniors team captain kagad. Nandun pa rin yung pagiging vocal niya. That's an ace for Maria. Si Juris ang nag-receive. Combination ang nangyari. Huli ng Arellano. Servidad is block!
net.
Ang camera hindi natututukan eh. Kaya kagandain talaga, kagandaan pag nanonood ka ng live dito. Shiny Tura scoring from the back row. Yung Francis Mordi mo, may 6 attacks na. Which is the similar story in game number 1 as Faye Mangubat scores kaming manonood sa University Athletics Office ng Adamson ngayon. Kasi isang coach din nila, si Coach Martin Torre, as Francis Mordi scores. Tuwa-tuwa si Coach. Good idea. But face Agaysaya. And it's so well. Seki!
Solid yun coming from sa kanya, hindi sa kamay.
Ayun. Upo si Marian Padillon. Hala, missed the reception. That's gonna be an ace. For face Agaysaya, yung reaction ng Arellano. Ngayon natatambakan sila.
Oo, dapat hindi masatisfy naman na nakakuha ng isang set itong Arellano.
Arellano set up, back set, tack set. Vidal! Hello, she's back. Set number 1, just the first attack. In the second set, we have spike of the set. Go to see. Yan din ang importansya na kahit nasa reserve area ka, lalo na kung libero ka, as Abby Segi scores, kailangan alerto ka. 18 kontra 11. Combination!
Ganda naman yun. Alam mo, kahit na fake na yan sa tres, kahit pa paano, yung blocker.
Pero sa Pienza back set, Kim Rocha is backed up by Tomasig. K. Pablo with a setup. Step back by Hart Villaflores, no good. Sa Pienza, Tornitura.
Tornitura, pabalik sa coach. He will be delivering. So anytime na kailangan niya, humugot sa bench, pwede ka.
Pero
saves us the time, no? Para mag-review.
Regalo! Ano naman ang susubukan magising? Tablata starting off for Coach JP Yude. Set number 3 na tayo. Jay De La Cruz together with Coach Ed Starcy. Francis Mordi got rejected to begin third set.
Attack of Adamson.
Ang agang grab block of the set naman yan. Diyan talaga pumapasok yung training paying off. Kasi for sure, yung mga ganong pilan, yung pag nagta-target practice ka sa mga atake mo, no? Yung wrist action pa lang eh. Uy, huli! Solid!
Basa ni Mordi where the attack was coming from, getting that black point.
Servidad. May umi-slide na sa tira-tira, hindi lang naipasa ni Kat. Dumasik sa kanya. Alam ko to.
Gumapang para umabot eh.
It's gotta be a highlight somewhere.
Kanina during the warm-up, yung competitiveness ng laban. Sarap panoorin yan.
Block point. One look on that grab block of the set. In addition, ang laking tulong din kasi nung mga ganong klaseng service ng Adamson. Multiples talaga yung mga coaches. Laksina with a great set. Was Eloy Dote denying that attack. Stand sa MMA, sa isa, gymnastics. Ayun, bumalik sa volleyball.
Shiny Tura.
Grab spike of the set. Shiny Tura with that pipe attack. Corner that the Lady Falcons just showed after dropping that first set. Arellano having some issues recovering. Jasmine and Naga was in battle for third. In battle for third sa ating torneo ngayon. It will happen during that game. Before game number 1. Still looking for a response. Kung ikaw na may Arellano, ayaw mo naman hintay magkamali yung Adamson. Kasi ginawa na, nangyari na nung set number 1 yun eh. Ay Maui. Villaflores, pumalo kahit malayo si Red. Okay lang daw. Papalo naman si Red. Another post shot. It went through tag.
Now, Adamson Lady Falcons getting the Falcons, their volleyball program. And Mordi, she had dito, inumpisahan kaagad niya.
Grab spike of the set. Kisha Abitria, medyo lumobo yung palo. Shiny Tura, yun ang palo.
Over na to si Shiny Tura. Pero mukhang nakapag-adjust na din itong si Shy.
Kahit kasi yung mga sige, ang kinin ko na. Ni Tura! Dapat palang sits din.
Good block. Good net defense.
Si Hart ang nasa likod ngayon. Ibig sabihin, ang nasa harap na outside hitter si Kisha Abitria. Pero pagdating sa harap,
Spikers doon. Ang blockers for Arellano Chief.
total denial by Sam Tira. That's Hart from the back. Shy. Got it.
Bumawi. Nahuli niyo ako.
To get 30 points in this match. Kung patuloy lang na ibibigay sa kanya dito ni Bella. Kaya lang, layo ng tinakbo. Nakapalo pa rin si Shy. Nakaputos pa rin.
Naka-adjust.
So total opposite na to, kumbaga, for Arellano. And they would want to back on that one. But Kim Rocha says no.
Point there for Rocha.
Saan ka pupunta?
The player.
Full frontline lang ako. Nasa Lonnie Hart yung service. So at 15, who will send us to our final technical timeout? It's Shiny Tura. Play Francis Mordi. Kaya lang play goes on. Adamson looking for a double contact. But that wouldn't matter anymore because Shiny Tura finished the round.
What an effort there to save that ball. And Mordi ng attacker sa harap.
Oh, nice serve by Laksina. Shiny Tura.
Maramdam mo na medyo nakakulit.
Finals Hall. Abitria Doug. Shiny Tura 1-2.
Hindi na pala kailangan iset eh. Basta maita.
Towards the finals. Abitria. Cross court wala. Panapos. Shiny Tura is blocked. The play goes on. Sapienza setting it over. Servidad blocked by Nitura. Kay Pablo Kerbel alive. Running, Eloy got it!
The floor defense was not there fast enough.